So this is a solar watch, and the charge is about half. So I'm going to give it a charge and see how much of a charge I can get. I'm going to put it under direct sunlight. We'll come back and see what kind of charge.
This is the Seiko SSC813 speed timer. I got this in Hong Kong for about 550 US dollars. I like the look, of course. It looks like a Daytona. And when I got it, the watch was full. That's the solar battery dial. And this morning I took it out. It was at half full, so I took it out to have it recharge. It was under direct sunlight for less than 20 minutes, and it went from half full to full. So that's how long it takes to recharge your Seiko SSC813. So how long will the watch last on solar battery? Who knows? Wear it and find out.
So I'm resetting the bottom dial from chronograph to fuel gauge mode. Press it again and it goes to the fuel gauge mode. So apparently this is the most collected or purchased watch for under $1,000. Would you buy this watch? So is there a solar watch in your future?